Yo, what's good everyone? Welcome back to a brand new video. Today, as you can see, we're going to be doing something a little bit different. We are going to be talking about how much money did YouTube pay me for a viral video. Well, actually 4 viral videos. I think I have like 4 or 5. But now look, before we even get into the video and I let you guys know how much money I make, I gotta say something real quick. So, wait, I saw you guys. You guys were about to skip to the end to find out exactly how much money I make. Just give me a few seconds, alright? Basically, I'm not making this video to brag on how much money I make or like show off in any way. Cause look, there's 2 reasons. First of all, I already make videos on how much money I make. You guys see my vending machine videos. I'm always letting you guys know how much money I make from my vending machine business, which has brought a new, bigger question. Jaime, how much money do you make from YouTube? And that's basically the reason why I'm making this video, because y'all already know how much money I make from vending, so I might as well let you guys know how much I make from YouTube, right? If you have not subscribed to the channel, subscribe right now. I make some pretty dope content. Go check out my other videos. For example, we bought an abandoned vending machine. We broke into it and we actually found some money inside. If you guys haven't seen that video, I will leave the link down below. But anyways, I hope everyone enjoys the video. If you do, drop a like. Let's get straight to the video. Okay, so here's the juicy part. Now to find out how much money I make, we do gotta go straight over to my computer. That way I can show you guys my analytics and how much money I made exactly from a viral video. So let's go straight to the computer right now. Alright, so we're here. There might be some things blocked out or like blurred just because, you know, there's some information that I can't really show. But for this video, I'm actually only showing how much money I've made from my viral videos. It's not going to be how much money I make all together. So if you guys want me to make a video on how much money I've made the last 3 months I've been doing YouTube, then like the video and drop a comment down below letting me know you guys want to see that video. Okay, so the very first video we're going to be taking a look at is actually the first ever video I posted on my channel, which thanks to God, it actually went viral. But I actually don't even remember the name of the first video, so let me go all the way down and see what it's called. Okay, so my first ever video 4 months ago, collecting money from my vending machine business, has about 1.1 million views, and like I said, that's my first ever video. So let me go ahead and find it on my analytics. Here we go. This is how much money I made for a viral video with 1.1 million views. Okay, I did not make $38.54. Okay, that's just for this month. That would have sucked if that's all I made. I know some of you guys were about to start typing, oh, you could have made more money from McDonald's, because I do get a lot of those comments whenever I tell you guys how much money I make from my vending machine business. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on lifetime, which is how much money I've made since the beginning of that video. Drum roll. So for a 1 million viewed video, there you guys go, an estimated revenue of $1,358. But look, hold on, there's actually some other videos that have way less views than this one, and I've made a lot more money, which is weird the way YouTube works. So I will show you guys that video in a second. But look, for example, for 1 million views, I only got $1,300, which, you know, it's a pretty good amount. But I could have actually got more money for this video. But the reason why I didn't is because, like I said, this is my first video on the channel. The reason why I say I could have made more money is because I was not monetized when this video was blowing up. So I didn't get paid for the first like 500,000 views. And that's basically the reason why I only got about $1,000 for 1 million views. But it actually didn't start blowing up until the end of the month. So if we look at the 23rd of that month, I was only at 711 views. That was like 20 days after I posted that video. So from the 23rd all the way up to like the 29th, I was already at 10,000 views. And then if we go over to the 30th of that month, I was already at 48,000 views. In literally 2 days, I gained about 40,000 views for that video. If we go all the way to the top, from that video alone, I gained about 200,000 views. And those 200,000 views made me about $398 with 3 cents. For example, if we go back to the 31st, when I had 34,000 views, I didn't make any money from that. You guys can see right there, it does say 0 views. Because at that time I was not monetized, so I was losing money basically. But right after the 5th, that's when it was starting to go back down. So if we take a look at the 6th, the day after, I still got about 125,000 views in 1 day, which is really good. I made about $273. And then if we go all the way back down to the 11th, I got about 8,000 views and I got $14. Okay, so let's look at this video. So this is the one where I bought the abandoned vending machine full of money. Like I said, if you guys haven't seen that video, go check it out. It was actually a pretty dope video. But anyways, for this video so far, we have 842,000 views, and for those 800,000 views, I've made $2,842. Which, by the way, in that video, like I said, I did buy an abandoned vending machine. I did see a few comments on that video on people saying I wasted my money on that machine, but I mean, like, how? How did I waste my money? I spent $175 on that machine. As you can see, I multiplied my money by, let's see, K, carry the 3, divide by triangle plus 5 equals blue. About 28 times more I made from that video. I think it's 28. Let me know down below if I'm wrong. So if we take a look at the views, the very first day it actually got 33,000 views, which came out to about $151, which, you know, it's pretty good for 33,000. 150, that's pretty good. Now if we go up here to about 80,000 views, it's about, you know, $290. That's the next day. And then the day after that it goes back down at 45,000 views, and I still made about $167. So after all those peaks up there, it goes all the way down over here, and it goes steady for a few days, maybe, you know, like 2 weeks. It picks up a little bit more. Now, if you guys didn't know, just a quick heads up, every YouTuber gets paid completely different. So just because I make this amount of money for these amount of views doesn't mean somebody else will get the exact same, even if we have the same amount of subscribers. It all depends on a few things. For example, what kind of content it is, the watch time, so if people watch like the whole video. But like I said, the type of content does play a big role. For example, somebody that makes videos about credit cards or how to make money in real estate is gonna make a lot more money than somebody that goes out and makes, you know, fake pranks. But anyways, now for the best part is how much money did I make from my most viewed video, which the last time I checked about a month ago, it was at like 2.7 million views. So, you know, it could be more this time. Let's go ahead and take a look. Okay, so it actually has 3.2 million views, which is crazy, but no way. That's actually how much money I made from that video. I'm gonna refresh it just to be sure, cause yo, I really did. We're both looking at this at the same time, and I never knew I made this much just from that video alone. So 3,223,000 views made me $11,000. Real quick, before we take a look on how much money I made per day, I just want to give you guys a huge thank you. Like, I don't even know what to say. I know this might sound like a little bit corny. This is all because of you guys. Everyone that watches the videos, everyone that comments on every single video. There's some of you guys watching right now that have been watching ever since I posted my first video, which is crazy. But again, to everyone that watches my videos, thank you so much. You guys have really changed my life. I know sometimes I can flex money in my thumbnails, or maybe even sometimes in my videos, but first of all, I mean, you guys like to see that. Like, come on, you guys like to see that. You know what? I have an idea. I'm gonna be doing a big giveaway in the next video. Not this one, just because I don't have anything ready to give away, but just know that there's gonna be more than one winner. There might be like 20 winners, so you guys will have a really good chance on winning this giveaway. Let's get back to the video. So again, now look, I know $11,000 might sound like a lot of money, but if you guys didn't know, you still have to pay taxes for YouTube, which is about 30%. So if you subtract 30% from $11,000, that leaves us about, okay Google, what is 30% of 11,000?
The answer is 3,300.
So even though I made $11,000, I only keep about 8,000, if that makes sense, because like I said, I do have to pay taxes. But anyways, if we go down here, I posted the video on the 4th, and the first day I got 21,000 views and I made $150. Yo, that's really good actually. And then the day after that, on the 5th, I got 33,000 views, which came out to a total of $164. If you guys take a look at the chart, the views have basically been all over the place. It goes up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. So the second highest peak, which was March 23rd, which was actually the day after my girlfriend's birthday, fun fact. But for that day, I got about 100,000 views and I made $200, which is not too bad. It's pretty good still, but it's not as good as how much I was getting paid at the very beginning. So the most views I got in one single day for that video was April 19th, and I got 122,000 views. And for that amount of views, I got $510 for one single day, which actually gives you guys a pretty good idea on how you never know how much money you're gonna make. For 100,000 views, I only made $200. But then up here, for almost about the same amount of views, 122,000 views, I got more than double. I got $510, which, like I said, it really doesn't make sense. I guess it all depends on how long people watch your videos. But yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. Right after that, that's when it went all the way down, and you know, I was getting 40,000 views, 59,000 views. It went up for a little bit, and then boom, it went down. But anyways, that is pretty much it. You guys saw how much money I made for 3 viral videos. Again, before we end the video, I didn't make this video in any way to brag or flex again on how much money I make. Cause by the way, fun fact, all the money I've made so far, I'm kind of embarrassed to say this, but it's gone. Well, I did save a little bit, but the majority of that money is gone. Cause I mean, just because I made 11,000 from that video doesn't mean I make 11,000 from every single video. Like, I wish. If that was the case, I would post like 20 videos a day, 7 days a week. But before you guys start making fun of me on why I don't have any of this money anymore, it's because first of all, like I said, I do pay taxes, so 30% of everything went to the government, and hopefully they use that money to fix the roads over here in Texas, cause and also number two, you guys know I moved into a brand new apartment. If you guys haven't seen the apartment tour, I will leave the link down below. Go check it out. It was actually a pretty cool video. And if for some reason you guys didn't know, but moving out is expensive. If you guys saw the apartment tour, you guys saw that we have no furniture. We don't even have a couch. We don't even have a TV. Subscribe if you haven't already. Again, thank you guys so much for watching the videos. I love you guys, okay? I don't want to make it weird between us, but just know I do love you guys. Again, stay tuned for the next video for the big giveaway, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out. Dang it, I gotta stand up this time to cover the lens. Alright, there you go.